calcium carbide. Now, back in the day, they used to use calcium carbide, the miners did, okay? Because they would put this in their lamps, and it produces something called acetylene gas, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this down in there, and then I'm going to put some of the calcium carbide, which if you look at it is very chunky. It looks like charcoal. So move it so I can hit it. Probably good. Okay, so we're going to set that on there for now. We're going to let it do its thing and build up for a few seconds. And then we're going to light it. Like I said, we're going to say a prayer because he did not survive very well earlier today. Okay, we'll hit the lights here in a few seconds too, so if somebody wants to head that direction. Alright. Good. Let's count down. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Hit the light.
His eyes are out.
They will.
Lost the frontal lobe. So yes, we're going to try to put him back together.
Holy. I have an edit now. Oh, his mouth was blown up. Look at this.
Got it.
That's the, typically, I mean, usually he catches on fire for a little bit too, but again, Kaylee's here, so that's not going to happen. No, he's not going to catch fire because we blew off his whole front of his brain, so that's why, I mean, there was nothing left to catch fire. But typically we do get him to like kind of flame for a little bit and burn out. So, and there's still a little gas being produced, so I'm just going to leave it open so I can do that. Yeah, we wasn't quite sure with the frontal lobe how that's going to stay. We'll just let that continue to stay. All right, go right now.